Hi, 8-1. So on Friday, we're going to be doing our last test launch. This is going to be experiment number 4, mass of rocket. So you just learned all about Newton's second law of motion, that force equals mass times acceleration. And we know we want our rocket to accelerate as much as possible. And we want to see how changing the mass will affect the acceleration of this rocket. So I have made, for consistency's sake, 4 different rockets that we are going to launch. I have put, there are no weights on the lightest one, which is 38.8 grams, right? But then I did put weights on the yellow, red, and blue rocket. So the weights are all on the top, right? And the yellow rocket is 74.4 grams. The red rocket is 112.4 grams. And the blue rocket here is 264.9 grams. The reason I made these rockets was just trying to control for the other variables. I'm trying to make the only variable here the mass of the rocket. So I tried to make the cones the exact same size. I put 2 wings on each rocket. They are all the exact same size. I tried to make them as similar as possible. They are going to be filled up with 500 milliliters of water, and we're going to see which one goes the highest. This will also be the last time we practice with the clinometers on Friday. So this is, a great time to get one more practice session in on how to get the angle of the rocket. The better we are at finding the angle of the apex of the rocket, the better our data will be. So on Friday, when we come into class, I'll give some instructions for the launch. We'll go outside and we will launch these rockets. I'll take volunteers for who wants to pump up the rocket, who wants to pull the cord and launch it. I'll need a volunteer to write down angles. We'll come back upstairs. We'll average the angles out. You'll have your last practice with doing that trigonometry. This is the third, well, actually about 4th or 5th time you've done this. So hopefully, right, this won't be too painful for you of using tangent equals opposite over adjacent to find the height of the rocket. And we will see which mass of rocket goes the highest. What I would like you to do right now, to show me that you watched this video, but also I want to see what you think. I would like you to send me an email, and I would like you to tell me which one of these rockets, the light blue, the yellow, the red, or the dark blue, do you think will go the highest and why? And I will be extra impressed with your big, big brains if you can reference Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration, in your explanation of why. So again, send me an email with which rocket you think is going to go the highest and why. Okay, that's it. I'm going to stop talking now.